Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Amazon Direct Test Exam Pattern, Software Development Graduate, Amazon Exam and Interview for 22, 23 and 24 batch. Guys, like and share the video. I already shared the opportunity with all of you yesterday in yesterday video. One of the most important point, it is not for India location but sponsorship is available. I already said okay, so you have to choose yes. As well as guys, I am posting the genuine hiring opportunities with all of you. Just see that I am mentioning the batch is in the comment like a description. So like and share the video and check all the latest hirings on our channel. This type of message I received from Amazon Software Development Engineer full-time opportunity. Okay, and they mentioned that you have to assign a block of 3.5 to 4 hours of uninterrupted time. Okay, once you start the part of online assessment, you cannot stop and restart. So do not click on the link until you are ready to complete the online assessment. Okay, so to be considered for an interview, please complete the online assessment within 5 days of receiving this invitation. Okay, so guys, they already mentioned the software development engineer full-time preparation guide. Okay, so in that is for SDE role. Okay, so let's discuss about the important points that what they mention about this hiring. So this is for SDE role, software development engineer. They mentioned that software development graduate is there. So first is coding assessment, second is work style assessment, third is work simulation, and fourth is feedback survey. 70 minutes, 15 minutes, 60 minutes and 5 minutes. Okay, so total 150 minutes are there for the examination. Okay, so we can expect like 2.5 hour is the examination time. That's why they mention you have to assign a block of 3 to 4 hours of the examination. Okay, let's move on to the next process. Okay guys, so basically like what they mention in the second process, what is the best practice for the coding assessment, review and practice, take the online assessment practice test, make use of online resources, manage your time, avoid these actions. The first test is related to 70 minutes. Okay, and 2 coding question will be asked in the examination. So this is the first step of Amazon hiring. Okay, let's move on to our second third important point. What is SDE1 interview process? So first there is a online assessment OA. Okay, this flowchart is provided by Amazon team on their official platform. Okay, Amazon team. So were you selected to move forward? No. Interview process concludes. Yes. The interview, a hiring decision made. This is the flowchart for hiring process. Okay guys, I hope you understand the process. Next is related to the OA. What do you mean by OA? OA means online assessment. Okay, and it is the first process guys. Okay, the goal of OA is to help us learn more about your coding skills, ability to problem solve. The assessment is broken up into 2 parts. Part 1 is hacker rank coding assessment, that is of 70 minutes. 2 coding questions are there. Okay, and the part second is work style assessment of 15 minutes, work simulation of 60 minutes and feedback survey of 5 minutes. So total 150 minutes are there, as I already mentioned in the starting. Okay, 70 minutes, 15 minutes, work simulation, feedback survey. Let's discuss about the interview. After clearing this, the interview process is fully virtual. In your interview, you will have a live video conversation with at least one Amazonian. The interview covered 2 type of competencies which will be cover more depth in the guide. Behavioral competency based on Amazon principles, technical competency. Okay, you will be provided details via near the interview date with the instruction. Okay, a hiring decision is made, that I already mentioned. But what about the assessment? Okay, as they already shared the link in the full-time preparation guide in the mail, so you can also check that. Okay, basically in the coding assessment 70 minutes are there, 2 questions will be asked. Okay, work style assessment is related to Amazon leadership principle. This section asks you to choose a statement that represent your work style. There is no practice needed for the portion of this assessment. Okay, so basically this is work style assessment. The third is work simulation. The work simulation may not apply to certain country, it is applicable for India and other location. This interactive simulation is designed to give you look into typical day in the life of SDE at Amazon. During the simulation, you will be prompted with email, video and instant message from your virtual manager and team members to solve a problem. For each scenario you are provided with 4 to 5 viable options to respond. You are asked to rate the effectiveness of each response or select the single response. Additional work material are provided such as decision as code snippets and roadmap. You are provided 120 minutes to complete this section. After this simulation, you will receive a 5-question feedback survey about experience with the simulation. Guys, one of the most important point, first is coding, okay. Second is work style, that is related to work style of Amazon leadership principle, okay. And third is related to work simulation. What do you mean by simulation? सिमुलेशन का मतलब क्या होता है कि देखिए जो भी सारी चीज़ें उसको मतलब एक टाइप से एक्सपीरियंस करना. सो इन द लाइफ ऑफ लाइक इन द डे ऑफ SDE एट Amazon, ओके, what are the tasks given to the SDE that is related to code snippets or other work that is same in the company, okay. So you will also experience in the work simulation section और आपको अपने options choose करने, okay guys. And the last is related to feedback, okay. And if you cleared this hiring process, that is OA process, so you will be move on to interview process, okay guys. So interview is related to what they mention about interview. The interview process is fully virtual. They will which will cover more depth in this guide. Behavioral competency, technical competency means they will check your behavioral performance as well and technical knowledge as well, because it is for software development graduate, okay. So guys, this is the complete process for Amazon. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Check the interview journey and all the things on their official page. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Best wishes for exam. Thanks for watching the video.